Howdy folks, you on the Seagull and Speed 252 show. Scroll over to the right, click that subscribe button, and join this awesome community. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Seagull and Speed 252. I don't want to thank each and every one of you, all of you, for pushing that play button. Today is going to be a special day. We actually are going out to the Tail of Dragon. This is my very first time actually experiencing this, so I'm hoping this is a great time. I'm going with a couple of buddies of mine, but it's like a kind of like a group of cars that are actually going. As you can see, we got BMWs, we got the C8. I left the C7 at home. We got a Porsche over here, and we got a couple of other cars that are going that I don't really know the name of them at the moment. We got a C7 at the front, and it's a C7 Z06. But yes, we're going out to the Tail of Dragon. We're going to be there today. It's going to be a whole weekend trip. I'm hoping this will be a great video, and I'm hoping to bring you guys some great content. This will be my first time putting the C8 Mid Engine Corvette on a Tail of Dragon. So you guys, let me know your thoughts. If you ever been on the Tail of Dragon before, leave your comments down below. But right now, we're going to head out, have a great time. I hope you enjoy this upload. I'm trying to get a lot of great footage. As you guys can see, this is once again the C8 Corvette right here. I mean, it's not the cleanest, but it's not the dirtiest either, but it's looking sharp. Got the number on the side. You got a BMW right here. You got another BMW right here. This is my friend's BMW, number 99. It's a BMW right there. That's another BMW. You got the Porsche GT3 RS right there. Another BMW. So it's pretty decent. Another Corvette over there. So we ready to go. I mean, I'm looking forward to actually seeing what this Tail of Dragon is all about. You know what I'm saying? This is my first experience once again, and I'm hoping you guys enjoy this video and all the footage I'm going to put in this video. And I'm looking forward to reading you guys' comments down below. And once again, if you've ever been in the Tail of Dragon, leave your comments down below. If you're having hopes and dreams of going to the Tail of Dragon, leave your comments down below as well.
Looks all right, nothing fancy. A couple of carbon fiber pieces and custom.
Oh, you got this?
Cover.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then the carbon fiber pieces. Yeah, man, they handle those curves, bro. How my face was lit up. I know. It's like I feel like I was doing this, and I was doing this, and I was doing this, and I was like, "This is amazing." This car handles it exceptionally well.
Did you get that done, or was that side?
I got it done. Yeah, I got it done. Yeah, it handles exceptionally well, man.
Oh, and you got all that interior combination.
Yeah, so it sucks because like I'm in the process of like I really like the color combination of the car, so but it doesn't make sense to get the same combination for the next car because it's
No, yeah. Oh yeah, that's beautiful. I mean, you could have twin specs.
Yeah. Oh gosh, no.
You could have twin specs.
I don't think the bank's gonna allow that. I don't think the bank's gonna allow that at all. I love it.
Really?
Yeah. I took some getting used to, but
Yeah.
I mean, for the most part, it feels good to me.
Cool trunk though. That's huge.
And you got one of them.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
You know what? I actually am going on a limb here and say you can fit more in your trunk than I can in my trunk.
Oh really?
Maybe close.
Maybe.
Well, I guess with both of them combined, probably, yeah.
Oh, with both of them combined, yeah, but like, I don't know. It's pretty damn big.
I mean, when the top comes off though, it goes back here and you can't fit anything else back here.
Yeah,
The convertible though, I don't lose any space at all.
Get a convertible?
I'm considering it. Yeah, it's just an extra $700 extra, and that changed the payment dramatically compared to like the normal coupe.
Yeah.
So that's my only concern about it. Yeah, for sure. But it's
The
convenient.
only thing, the convertible, I'm pretty sure when they developed these, it was developed on the same exact chassis. Like they didn't do any reinforcements.
Yeah, it's developed the same way. Exactly the same. Just had this roof mechanism. Yep, that's it. Everything's the same. But I mean, it's
See the
convenient.
motor though, right?
Can't see the motor, which I mean, in reality, like I see it every day.
Yeah.
And so for people like, hey, like you guys, like what it looks like back there. For me, it's like every time I go to a car show, I have to clean it.
All right,
Gotcha.
I'm not driving.
really. So now we back at another stop, but as you can see, all the cars are lining up, and one guy's having some issues with his C5, so hopefully we can get that squared away. We got the Porsche right here. They hung up with the cars pretty well. You got the Corvettes lined up right here. You got an Audi right there, BMW right there. My man with the motorcycle right here, chilling. You got the AMG right here with all the leaves in the front, but it's looking clean. Yeah, it's been a pretty good day so far. A lot of people had a great time. I stayed in between the lines. I can tell you right now, this C8 Corvette is one of the best cars I've ever driven. I'm not kidding you guys. Whoever's in the market to buy a C8 Corvette and you want to take it to the track or come to the Teledragon, this car stayed between the lines at all time. One of the best handling cars, period. So GM, if you're watching this video, shout out to you guys, because I'm telling you right now, I am in love. Like, I love the car, but now I'm in love with the car. Like, guys, I am not kidding you. I was in love with the car when I first bought it, and then I didn't be able to track it like I wanted to, so it was just love. But now I'm back in love with this car. It's freaking phenomenal. Like, it literally did its thing. Like, oh my gosh, like my friend Mike, I can't wait till you come out and try to get the same experience. It's freaking incredible. But I think we all about to get in our cars and pretty much track some more. I mean, it's been a phenomenal ride, phenomenal experience. It's definitely hot back here, that's for sure. Might cook me some marshmallows at some point tonight.
So this is the dam. On this side we have the dammed area. Hey. And on this side we have the non-dammed. And I'm just kidding. I have no idea what I'm talking about. Absolutely fun. Oh no. Yeah, I mean that's yesterday when we came with Vince. So when the tide's low enough, you can see the top of buildings.
What's going on, you guys? Thank you for watching this upload. Thank you for watching this episode. I really greatly appreciate each and every one of you. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, any of you that's watching this video right now, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, definitely go on your screen, hit that subscribe button, get this video a thumbs up, push it up in the algorithms. Who knows what this video is going to do? It is a Teledragon video. If you guys have experienced a Teledragon before, leave your comments down below. What were your thoughts on a Teledragon? Did you like it? I can tell you right now, it was one of the best experiences I've ever had. Like I'm going to say, Chevrolet, you did a great job with the C8. It handled exceptionally well on the Teledragon. It was an awesome experience. I'm looking forward to seeing what the Z06 will be like on the Teledragon, because you guys, I'm telling you right now, this C8 Stingray handled exceptionally well. And so when the Z06 comes out, I will most likely end up selling my C8 Stingray, and I hope whoever the next owner be get to enjoy it as much as I did. But I'm telling you right now, the C8 Stingray held its own on the C8 on the Teledragon. Everyone loved it. Everyone enjoyed the experience. Everyone thought the C8 was a phenomenal. They kept asking questions, how did they handle and all that great stuff. I'm telling you guys right now, it was an awesome experience. So once again, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, definitely go ahead and do so. We're about to get back in the car right now, hit the Teledragon one last time for the day. Peace.